Hello, assalamualaikum guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make classic cheesecake or New York cheesecake, whatever you want to call it. So here I'm just sprinkling the extra crumbs on it. And the first step I'm gonna show you guys is how to make the crust. And for the crust, you will need digestive biscuits, sugar, and melted butter. Add in your sugar to your digestive biscuits. Mix, mix, mix. Add in your melted butter. Mix until everything is well combined. Then add it in your pan. Make sure you line your pan so that it's easy for you to take out the cheesecake later. Bake it in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Don't forget to do this step. Now moving on to the cheesecake batter. You will need sugar, vanilla, sour cream, eggs, cornstarch, and lemon juice, cream cheese, and lemon zest. Add in your vanilla to your cream cheese and lemon zest. So I bought this vanilla when I was in Austria and it's the last one I had, so trying to make the most out of it, which is why I'm making a cheesecake because I think it's worth it. I know it got a bit aggressive there. Never mind. Don't forget to scrape your bowl so that you get everything mixed in. Now add in your sugar and mix again. There's a lot of mixing in this video. Add in more sugar and mix again. I told you. Okay, add in your cornstarch. I forgot to record this one part, so at this stage add lemon juice and cornstarch. I forgot to record the lemon juice part. Now add in your eggs. Once you add in your eggs, don't forget, no, not that. Don't overbeat your batter because you will get a crack on your cheesecake. Now add in your sour cream. I like to use sour cream, but you can use plain yogurt if you want to. And mix again. Okay, once you're done with that, bake it in the oven for 10 minutes at 220 degrees and then turn it down to 110 degrees. Bake it for another 25 minutes and then turn off your oven. Let it rest in there for 30 minutes and then open the oven door. Let it rest for another 30 minutes. I know, I'm not done yet. And then take it out, let it rest in the fridge overnight. I know, it takes forever, but trust me, it's worth it. Because it's cheesecake, it's always worth it when it's cheesecake. I'm just tapping the cheesecake to get rid of the air bubbles, and this is how it looks like once it's done. I'm just topping it with whipped cream because I think it looks pretty, and you're basically done. So I'll see you when I see you.